Well, hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's Monday, October 6th, and it's just about noontime, and I'm up here with my friend Joe, and we're up in this is right near York, Pennsylvania, and we got the river here, and I'll put the name of the river right here, but we're on the York County Heritage Bike Trail, and our goal is to go southerly with it to link up to the Heritage Trail that goes down to New Freedom. All right, so let's have a go. We got our bikes here ready to go. I've got my Cyrusher XF 900. Joe's got his Puckipuppy Labrador Pro here all ready to go, and we anticipate about a 15-mile ride, and we're thinking, well, we don't know, we might go all that way, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. So we both have extra batteries on our bikes. So Joe's got his extra battery here, I've got my extra battery in case I need it. But if we just do maybe a 30-mile round trip, we won't need those, but it's always good to have insurance. All right, so let's go ahead and get ready and get going. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and load up and ride out. Joe's on his Puckipuppy Labrador Pro. I'm going to jump on my Cyrusher XF 900 and we'll get this ride going. All right. Go off trail here a little bit. You can see the river streams right here. It's beautiful. Hey Joe, I think the trail actually goes southbound the other way. Did you lock the car, by the way?
Yeah.
You did, okay. All right, the parking lot's just over here. Now we're going to go ahead and go southbound, find out where the rail trail goes, because it's not our first time. Morning. I don't know if this is it here or not. I think this is it. It's odd, I don't see you are here. But there's the...
Well, there's 462, Joe. We're right in the heart of York. We're at that green dot.
Oh, we're right at the green dot.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we just got to go southbound. They don't really detail it, but there it is. I think we'll just follow that trail as much as we can. It seems like it runs along the river, right? So we'll give it a go. All right, first time. That's that's what it's all about. So.
Well, what's your compass say when you get on this trail? Are you north or south?
That is south. I'm familiar with the location of the sun as far as north-south, but that is the southerly way to go. So let's, whoops. All right. Yep. Okay, South Route. Whoops. Hey, morning, guys. Thank you. Morning. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that sign back there, but it says south. Yeah, You know, bus station right here. Rabbit Transit. Another street crossing. Dog park. Hey guys. Another road crossing. Oh, look at this, turtles.
Later.
Beautiful.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Wow, check this out. I love this tunnel. Anytime you see a feature like this, it's awesome. And it's hard to, you can't tell from the video, but as we get closer to this tunnel, man, it gets nice and cool in here. How'd you like that tunnel, Joe? It was pretty nice and cool in there. Yeah, auto headlights, yeah. My other bike has that. All right, well, that was a lot of fun going through that tunnel back there. So, what a great ride so far. All right, so the Seven Valleys parking lot stop. Look at this. They've got a nice bike repair station here. You can hang your bike up here, work on it. Some tools hanging here. Here. Pump, nice map of where you're at, nice little pavilion. If it was raining or snowing, you can get out of the weather, and some bike sculptures here. Really nice. I'll tell you what, this is a nice trail. Definitely want to check it out if you're ever over this way on the Heritage Rail Trail.
5 minutes later.
Well, Joe and I just stopped here at the Hanover Junction station point on the rail trail. And just to show you a little bit, they've got some nice cannons sitting over here. There's a horse sculpture here. Hanover was kind of famous for having a lot of horse farms. The Hanover Shoe Building, Hanover Shoe Organization would have loads of horses. There's a jockey sitting over there, a nice little tribute plaque for them. Let's go over here and turn around real quick. And this Hanover Junction station actually has a little museum in it. So, museum entrance there. Folks hanging out.
11 minutes later.
All right, so here's a little treat along the trail that I just noticed. It looks like there's little pedal-powered rail cars over here. And this is about maybe a half a mile north of Hanover Junction. But look at this here. You've got these little pedal cars. Yeah, they do have a gas engine on there. I guess that's for, you know, helping out folks. But look at this, all these pedal cranks here for all these seats. Goes on quite a way. Special wheels too. Now, I really thought that was a special treat seeing that along the trail. So you never know what's out here until you you know, go take a ride. So all right, well, back to it here we go. All right, we're on the way back going northbound, and here we are at the tunnel again. Boy, look at all that overburden on top of this tunnel. It's really quite amazing to see. And here we go. Nice rock strata on the side. You can see the tunnel behind me there. It looks pretty awesome. And then it's still going up the rail trail here. We're gonna go ahead and give this a try. Oh yeah, probably a 30-degree angle. Yep, gotta love it. Little crossing. How's that Puckipuppy doing, Joe? How's your Puckipuppy doing? Yeah. Looks like he's riding real good. Yep. Well, here's another road trail side treat. You got some steel work here on the side, some old farm implements, some old tractor tires, plows, some type of carts, couple tractors there. So lots to see and appreciate out on these trails. So definitely a win. All right, so riding back into the town area, looks like what we did, Joe, is we went down that way to the right because because I was thinking to follow the river, but no, you want to, you know, follow
you didn't
the.
See this right here.
Yeah,
we followed that curve.
Definitely not.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Bridge work. Beautiful trees. Yep. Oh, there's an old steam engine over there. Check that out. Steam engine. You see the steam engine there, Joe? Huh? Over there on the right. All right, here we go. Nice little dog park. Hey guys. All fenced in. One here. All right, King Street Station. White rose. York's symbol is the white rose. Bus station right here. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. And this is downtown York. Keep going, Joe. We go up and around. All right, well that's brings us back to our starting point here at the I'll put the name right here. But man, that was a nice trail. You know, we didn't do it all the way down to New Freedom like we thought we might have, but the York County Heritage Trail was definitely a win. How'd you like that ride, Joe?
Oh yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah.
Bike's handled real good.
That was excellent.
We got to do that again sometime. Well, thanks everybody for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one. More to come. Bye for now.